I've been working on a new air filter for Indian motorcycles and Harley-Davidson motorcycles that fit the J-slot air filter, which J-slot refers to the mount. The original filter on these bikes was a copper mesh, which is useless as tits on a bull. And then the upgrade a long time ago would have been a foam filter. We've worked with K&N, which is local, just down the road from us, and we've developed a high quality American-made air filter that's purpose-built for these air cleaners. It's got a compression lip on both sides, and it's tapered. As you can actually see, it's got this side here. This end is smaller than this end. So what that allows to do is actually registers properly in the backing plate, and it's held and located that way. And then on the cover, it's smaller at this end because the covers, you've got a radius here. So we want the lip to sit on the flat part, so it registers down there like so. And there's no adapters, no donuts. It's all blocked off at this end. So it's a very, very high quality product, made in America, so we can protect our investments.